What's up, guys? Kevin here again, Intervention 302. Quick video today on real carbon fiber interior plates. This is specifically for the door plate, and I also have one for the dash. It's really kind of interesting. I was just recently doing some research on some of these carbon fiber overlays, and I had a gentleman who reached out to me who wanted to know if he sent me some product, if I would give my unbiased review and shoot a short video. And the company's name is Hansshow. They do have a shop on Amazon. I'm gonna link both of these products on Amazon if you wanna check them out. We're gonna do the quick install. I believe this right now is only $169. It is real carbon fiber. I think the fit and finish is really great. This is the matte version. They also offer gloss. But I prefer the matte. It looks really, really sharp. And I also believe there's a $30 coupon. So I think it's only $139 shipped. I really don't think you're gonna beat that for real carbon fiber. And we'll install these in the garage with the better lighting. I know the sun is going down, but to give you the quick overview, some brands have you pull this completely out. This is much easier. You quite literally, we're gonna wipe this with some rubbing alcohol. You take the red sticky tape, and this just fits over like that. And I really like it keeps the satin aluminum right there. I think this fits really nice, and it complements the different contrasting blacks in here. So we'll go ahead, we'll pull the car in the... All right, guys, so we're in the garage again real quick. This is the dash cover, and I wanted to open it up on film just to see if it's damaged. Again, I want to give an honest review, just how you'd expect to receive it. So the box is very light. Here we go. Same adhesion promoter. This just seems to be some fancy rubbing alcohol. And wow, this is a really nice piece. Definitely no cracks, no damage, no imperfections, what I can see. And the finish is really uniform. Again, I'm not sure how the camera is picking up the weave. Really attractive carbon fiber. Honestly, I think this one is $199 and these are $169. I think that's a really fair, very fair price. So what we're gonna do is, I have some rubbing alcohol. I'm just gonna quickly prep and clean the door surface, because we'll try the door first. This should be a pretty easy install. I don't know if you need to do this step, because I would imagine this is what the Adhesion Promoter does, but in my experience, prep is the most important. So we'll just go ahead and do a really good wipe on this. You never know what type of debris you have. Just let that air dry real quick. That won't take very long at all. All right, so what we're gonna do is we have our Adhesion Promoter. I believe you should drop your Adhesion Promoter first. That's what you should do. And it's just like I thought. Yeah, this is basically some rubbing alcohol. It might have a little bit of maybe like a preliminary glue. I'm not sure. So obviously I've not done this before off a camera, because this is kind of once you do it once, you can't redo it. So my logic here, what I like to do is probably just start peeling the red tape enough that it can fit down underneath. And then we're gonna start in the corner. And we wanna make sure we get it high up enough. See, like you could put it too high and it won't cover up all the wood. You wanna line it up just right. And then I'm gonna pull this tape. Okay, while still holding it up in that corner, and just it's nice and flush. That's really easy to install. There's no sharp edges. That's what I was worried about, because again, some of them you have some of these you completely remove the panel. I was worried with the overlay that it wouldn't fit flush, but as we can see, this is a really nice finish. So we're gonna do the same procedure. We're just gonna gently peel, start the red to peel, there it is. You don't wanna take the tape off at the same time. Stick her up here, line it up perfect. Okay, and then you just, starting here, just applying pressure down it is, and then that's it. And this is a really nice fit. I don't think it will rattle. Time will tell. I don't think it will yellow, because I do have ceramic window tint, but again, time will tell. But that, for an install, really quick and easy. I think pulling the tape off as you go is the right way to do it. Again, this is from Hansshow. I will put the products, the links in the description. And now it's time for the dash. So we're going to, again, do the same process. The dash is obviously significantly larger than the other pieces. So I'm gonna get a good amount of this rubbing alcohol here. And I'm thinking what could also be difficult with the dash is you gotta have to go behind the, you have to go behind your screen, obviously. Adhesion Promoter. I'm also interested to see if it covers up the little bit of wood here on the side. You'd never see this piece of wood unless your door's open, really, so it's not really the end of the world. Again, I know like the full replacement kits, the kits that you completely remove this, those are a lot of money. This is only $200, which of course $200 is still, it's, you know, it's not cheap, but it's a lot cheaper than replacing your dash. And we can see it is going to cover that piece. So we'll do a test fit first. Don't want to break it as I'm getting in here. That would be depressing. What you want to do is make sure you have it the right way. That helps. It goes like this. So, and again, that is going to be a perfect fit. So, this is going to be a little bit more difficult, I feel. It's only difficult if you make it difficult. All right, so this is definitely going to be a little bit more challenging. I don't know if I'm going to be able to do the trick where I pull it down. So I'm going to go ahead and take the tape off now. I think this is the right decision. Really, there's no going back at this point. So we'll go ahead. You want to make sure you remember to take off the little end pieces here. See, there's two little pieces of red tape here. And again, you don't want to peel off the sticky tape. And you don't want to bend or crack your carbon fiber either. So, all right, tape is off. Make sure you still have it the right way. And then I'm kind of supporting it here in the middle so it balances really nicely. I'm gonna start by placing it in the corner and then just slowly kind of let it fall in. And then what I think is we're gonna go around to the other side of the car. So we've not applied any pressure to this, so I feel we could still pop it off if we needed to. Just wanted to check the fitment over here, and again, it looks really nice. So I'm gonna start placing some mild pressure on this. We'll go back to the other side. That's actually fitting really nice. This one is actually installed easier than I thought it would. And that's it, actually. It really actually looks really nice. And I think that's about it, guys. Again, like I said, I will link the products down below in the video description. Again, on Amazon, so if you don't like it, you just return it for free. But from what I've seen, I don't really see why you'd be unhappy unless, you know, something happened in shipping. Obviously, these are made in China, so it's easy for something to get damaged in shipping, but I've not seen any instances of that. And that's about it. Thanks, guys. Thank Hansshow for sending it to me. Hope you guys have a great night. Bye.